Our status in front of the universe, friends. Today we are going to know what we humans are in front of the universe. After watching this video, your pride will be shattered when you will know how big the universe is and where do we exist in such a big universe, or whether our existence has any importance in front of it or not. Watch the video completely to know this. Friends, you will be surprised to know that the number of people living on our Earth, that is, the population of the whole Earth, has reached about 8% till now, but all these 8% people present on Earth can fit in a space as big as Los Angeles. Los Angeles is spread over an area of about 1,300 kilometers. If we talk about our Earth, then the whole Earth is much bigger than Los Angeles. The diameter of our Earth, that is, the thickness of the Earth, is about 13,000 kilometers. Whereas the diameter of the Moon is 350 kilometers. The Moon is so big that a mountain like the Himalayas can fit inside it, and our Earth is so big that it can fit inside a mountain like the Himalayas. It is so big that about 50 satellites like the Moon can fit inside the Earth. So you must have understood how big the Earth is. So friends, just think once, where do we stand in front of the Earth? The Moon is present at a distance of 384,000 kilometers from the Earth. All the planets of the solar system can fit within this distance. If we talk about our Sun, then our Sun is present at a distance of 15 core kilometers from the Earth. The diameter of our Sun is about 14 lakh kilometers. The Sun is so big in comparison to the Earth that it has the power of 13 lakh Earths. That is, we cannot even imagine the vastness of the Sun with our eyes closed. So you can think what status we humans have in front of the vastness of the Sun. Not only humans, but even the Earth and the Moon do not have any status in front of the vastness of the Sun. The largest planet of our solar system, Jupiter, has 13 satellites like our Earth, and 1,000 planets like Jupiter can fit inside the Sun. So friends, the Sun is not only bigger than the Earth but also many times bigger than Jupiter, but if we talk about its size, then this is just a beginning. If we talk about the whole solar system, then the diameter of our solar system is 2,007 kilometers. In such a big solar system, along with our planet Jupiter, there are 5 planets, millions of asteroids and cores of meteoroids. The distance from the Sun to Neptune is about 3,000 kilometers. In such a situation, if we draw a line from the Sun to Neptune, then about 3,000 stars like the Sun will fit in this line. So you can understand how small the Sun is in front of the size of the solar system. Music: if we see the Sun from Pluto, then our Sun looks like this from Pluto. Our solar system is spread many times beyond Pluto. We have even seen that the size of the Sun is also very small in front of such a big solar system. It is a very small star. If we go further, there are stars in space which are bigger than the Sun. This is Vega star, whose diameter is 38 lakh kilometers, and about 20 stars like the Sun can fit in it. Even bigger than this is Arcturus, which is 36 million kilometers wide. 17,000 stars like the Sun can fit in it, and if we go further, there is another star in the universe called Rigel, whose diameter is 110 million kilometers. 50 stars like Arcturus can fit in it, and 485,000 stars like the Sun can fit in it. Now we are seeing how small the Sun is after coming here. Let us go further. This is Betelgeuse, whose diameter is 230 million kilometers. About 1,400 stars like Rigel can fit in it, and about 670 million stars like the Sun can fit in it. Now you can imagine that after coming here, the Sun is also becoming equal to the size of a rat's ear. After this, we meet Conus. From Majoris, whose diameter is 2.4 million kilometers, and even bigger than this is the young Scuti, whose diameter is about 2.4 million kilometers, and the biggest star till now is Stephenson 280, whose spread is equal to 3.8 million stars like the Sun can fit inside this star. Till now no star bigger than this has been found in the universe, and the existence of the Sun is almost negligible in front of this star. In such a situation, we humans and our Earth are nothing in front of it. Just think whether the existence of the Earth is possible inside this star or not. Now if we talk about even bigger structures in the universe, then we reach the Cat's Eye Nebula. It is 0.4 light-years bigger in size. That means even light will take 4 months and 26 days to reach it. How big is it compared to the biggest star of the universe? About 3,000 stars like Stephenson will fit inside this nebula, and even bigger than this is the Helix Nebula, whose diameter is 5 light-years, i.e. it takes 5 years for light to reach it. It will take 15,000 stars like Stephenson, and beyond this we find Omega Centauri constellation, which is 150 light-years in diameter, and all the giant structures we have seen till now are a million times bigger than the ones in front of us. This is our galaxy, the Milky Way, which is spread over a diameter of 1 lakh light-years, i.e. it is so big that even light will take 1 lakh years to cross it, and let me tell you that the speed of light is 3 lakh kilometers per second. There are 400 such big stars in our galaxy, and the same number of planets are present inside it. So coming here you cannot even imagine how big it is. Even if our Earth gets destroyed inside it, it will not affect such a huge galaxy. Even if our Sun gets destroyed, it will not affect it. Even if the biggest star of the universe gets destroyed, it will not affect it. But the universe does not end here. If we go further, and talk about our neighboring galaxy Andromeda, it is twice as big as our galaxy. There are 10 bad stars in this galaxy. If we fill this galaxy with the biggest stars known till now, then it can have 40,000 bad stars like Stephenson 28. If we go further, 230 million light-years away from the Earth, then we find another galaxy, UGC 285 galaxy, which is spread in a diameter of 463,000 light-years. It is 4 times bigger than our galaxy, and 50 bad stars can be present in it. 100 million light-years away from the Earth, there is an even more terrifying and big galaxy, this 1101 galaxy, which is spread in a diameter of 40 lakh light-years, and 1,000 trillion stars live in it. There are more than 30,000 Milky Way galaxies inside it. For example, galaxies are equal power, and if we go further and look at it, then there are even bigger galaxies in the universe in front of which even the Milky Way galaxy is nothing. 300 crore light-years away from the Earth, This is the Alcunius galaxy, which is spread in the diameter of 1 core 60 light years. In this, 40 galaxies like our Milky Way galaxy will be included. Now we have reached a very big scale of the universe where even our galaxy, whose vastness we cannot even imagine, is nothing in front of it. But now if we go further and talk about the whole universe, then our whole universe which we have observed till now is spread in the diameter of 93 light years, and inside it, 200 such galaxies are present, and in front of the universe, even the biggest galaxy Alcunius galaxy is nothing. And when even such a big galaxy is nothing in front of the universe, then leave aside the sun and earth and we don't even stand a chance in front of it. 8. Keep watching our videos.